Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Shah Nawaz Rustamani, and I welcome to all of you at my channel Knowledge for All Seekers. And today, I hope that you all are fine wherever you are. And so today is our fifth day of skill development course. In last lecture, in last video, we learned one of Google applications, which is Google Form. And in Google Form, we learned that how to create form for any survey, how to create form for any registration, any event management registration. So these are, and how to send them to those people from whom we want to collect information. Okay. So in this video, in today's video, we will learn about another application of Google, which is Google Drive. Okay, which we are going to learn that application, which is Google Drive. What is Google Drive? So without wasting any time, we are going to start that what is Google Drive. First of all, we will learn that what is Google Drive. So what is Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution. Means Google Drive is a internet-based storage platform. Okay, it is a internet-based storage platform which that allows you to save files online, allows to you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet or computer. Okay, so it means that Google Drive is an internet based storage platform where we can save our files online. Remember, we can save files online and we can access them anywhere from any smartphone or tablet or computer. So I hope that you have understand that Google Drive is a, in simple words, in very simple words, we can say that Google Drive is an internet based storage platform where we can save our files or we can save our data online and we can also access them from anywhere where we are sitting. Okay, for example, we are sitting in our own home, or either we are sitting in any city, or either we are living in any country of the world, we can save files from there, and also we can access files from there. Okay, so again, in simple words, that Google Drive is a platform, internet based, where we can save our files or we can save our data online and access them also from anywhere. Okay, so Google Drive can be used by on smartphone, on tablet also, and you can use it on your computer also. Okay, so we can save files or our data in our Google Drive, and also we can edit them online. Okay, if you want to edit any file directly through the Google Drive, so you can also edit them online. Okay, I hope that you have understand very well that what is Google Drive. So let's see some advantages of Google Drive. What are the advantages of a Google Drive? First of all, it gives 15 GB free space. It's a very good advantage that Google Drive gives us 15 GB free space for our storage. We can save our files, we can save our folders, we can save our data up to 15 GB. And I think it's a very much space for any uh, platform on online. Okay, so we can save up to 15 GB data. Another is you can store and access data from any location. You can save files or you can save folders and you can access them from any location of the world, as I already mentioned. You can store any type of data format. Okay, you can store any type of data format. For example, you have data in mp3 format, you have data, you have files in mp4 format, you have files in pdf format or jpg format or mpg format or png format. Whichever format you have, you can upload files in google drive of that format. Okay, you can save or you can store any type of data format in google drive. Another is you can ask Google for more space with payment. Okay, for example, your 15 GB space is filled already, and if you want to another space, extra space on Google Drive, so you can ask to Google that please give me another extra space. But remember that for an extra space, you have to pay. Okay, you have to pay. Your 15 GB storage is very free for you, but after 15 GB, if you want any extra space, any extra storage, so you can ask to Google that I need an extra space, but for this, for an extra space, you have to pay. Okay, you can store documents, you can store audio files in Google Drive, you can store video files, and you can store images. But except this, you can save or you can store storage any type of data you want in Google Drive. Okay, so this is a little bit introduction about Google Drive and and its advantages. So let's learn Google Drive practically. Okay, let's learn Google Drive practically, that how Google Drive works and how we can store or how we can save files in Google Drive. Uh, for this, we have to go in our browser. Okay, for Google Drive practical. Okay, so we have to go in internet browser. So let's go in internet browser. So our internet browser is open. Okay, so right here you have to write drive dot google dot com. Okay, drive dot google dot com, you have to write this. Okay, it will take us in Google Drive. But remember this, before going to write and enter it, you have to log in your Gmail account. I already I already told in last video that for Google applications you must have your Gmail account, and for using Google applications you must have to log in your Gmail account. So that's why I have already logged in. See here, I have already logged in my Gmail account. So if you are using it anywhere, you must have to log in your Gmail account. Okay, so I have already logged in Gmail account, and now we are going to use our Google Drive. So write drive.google.com and enter it. Our internet connection speed is slow, that's why it's taking time. Usually it not takes time. Usually it do not take time, but our connection speed is very slow right now. That's why it's taking some time. So this is our Google Drive page. Okay. So if we want to look here, I have already uploaded many files. Okay. See here. I have already uploaded many files from on Google Drive. So uh, if you want to uh, upload any files, we have to go on click. We have to click on new. Okay, just click on new to upload files. See here, there are many options. If you want to upload any file, you can click on file upload. If you want to upload whole folder, then click on folder upload. Or if you want to upload directly Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Slides or Google Forms or many other things, then you have to click on these things. So right now we are uploading only one file, so I am just telling you that how to upload, then you can upload it in these multiple options. Okay, so click on file upload if you want to upload any file. For example, we are uploading file. Which file? Select any file which you want to upload. Okay, for example, we are uploading this file. Okay, green tom how to create. Okay, so just double click on it. Okay, double click on file which you want to upload. Just click on double click. So see here, one item is uploading here. Okay, so upload complete, one upload complete. Okay, so how can we check that either our file is uploaded or no not? Then click on, what was the name of file? Green tom how to create creative. Okay, see here, our file is already uploaded. If your file does not look here, see you if you can't see your file after uploading, then just click on refresh and then you will see your uploaded file. So our this uploaded file is already available here. So now this file will be forever until you delete it. Okay, so that's how we can upload file. Or for example, we want to upload any folder, so then go in new, click on folder upload. Okay, folder upload, and for example, we are going to upload any folder. For example, mm, so for example, we are going to upload, okay, this picture folder. Okay, for example, we are going to upload this picture folder. So then click on folder and upload it. Okay, click on upload one file to this side. This will upload all files from pictures. Only do this if you want to, if you trust this side. Okay, so it is saying that your whole folder will be uploaded, and all files of these folders will also be uploaded. So we want to upload, then yes, we just have to click on upload. Okay, so see here, our folder is uploading. It is already starting upload, and here it is. Okay, our folder is uploaded. So that's how we can upload our files. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very much and you have understand very well. So if you want to upload other things, or if you want to make your Google Doc directly, and directly you want to upload, then you can also do this. You can, but we will learn how to make Google Doc in another video. Okay, this is also a Google application, one of the Google application. These are also These all are Google applications. We have already learned that how to create Google Form. And right now we are learning Google Drive, and then after that we will learn also Google Docs also. Okay, so that's how we can upload our files. See here, I have already uploaded many things. For example, this folder. What are available in these folders? In this folder, 3 files are available in this folder. Okay, and for example, we are what is in this folder, then just double click on it and you can see here what is available in this folder. Okay, you can go back also. So this is how we can upload our files, and we can upload our data in Google Drive. Okay, and it will be very safe forever until you delete it or until you delete your Gmail account. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very much. If you have understand, ask, tell me in comments also. And if you have any query, you can ask me in comments also. Okay. So this is how we can upload files in Google Drive. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon to get latest videos about my channel. Okay. So that's all for today, and I hope that you have understand very well. And if you have liked this video, then like this video and also share it with your friends, and also tell me in comments here that how you rate this video. So until next video, we will say goodbye to you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.